favor of Adamson. They also have 2-0 against FEU. Underhand set for Dawson.
Oh, wow.
That must be the height.
What happened?
The inefficiency of the Lady Tamaraos right now. It was already a bad reception. And then an underhand set off to the other side. Was untouched.
Walang gustong kumuha ng set from Dawson. This time, Marjorie able to hit it.
See to Rojas. Even the sets are not even close to being good as Pineda drills one in.
Parang nagwa-warm up lang si Pineda. Just like what she does in the warm-up time before a game.
And parang kalaban ng Adamson ngayon, parang Team B, ano?
Oh, hindi...
It seems like that. It's not that kind of FEU game that we see, we regularly see, we are accustomed to.
The green and gold net at 6 points.
I'm just puzzled because they started out this match really on fire.
Yes, exactly.
Ganda nung pinakita nung opening set.
Well, for more about FEU and their struggles here today, let's check in with Judy Sarrell.
Coach Ness didn't say too much during timeout, but he leave one question for the ladies. Alam niyo po ba yung mga ginagawa niyo? The ladies are seem guilty with what's happening right now. I can see in their faces that they're also disappointed with their performance. The third set is their only chance. Kaya sabi ni Coach Ness, pumuntos tayo. Naturo ko naman na sa inyo yung mga dapat yung gawin. Bumawi kayo. Eric?
Thanks, Judy. All they have to do is execute here today. Let's see if they can. They're still trailing by 3. Guevara.
Oh, nice save by Agno.
But great defense on the floor by Adamson. Pineda. That's picked up by Rojas. Here comes Vargas. Off the block.
There you go. There you go. Vargas now able, but you know, her body language and even her reaction, her facial expression after a point, dapat yan talagang yan, diba?
Kahit yung buong team, ano?
Oh, parang hindi ganun yung level na, or yung energy na pinapakita ng FEU Lady Tamaraos today.
Baka galing sa party rin kagabi.
Ay, ako yun eh. Pagka ako tinanong ni Coach Ness, alam pa ba ginagawa? Hindi na, Coach. Hindi na po, Coach.
And ito na naman, Doc, ano? They score a point off the Vargas hit. Service error naman. So, they can't really move forward with anything. And there's a chance ball. Binigay nila sa Adamson.
Nako, si Pau nasa gitna na naman.
Vargas, blocked. Another free ball.
Nice play from Dawson.
Pineda.
Cut shot from Pineda. Very tough to do, ah. Remember, that ball was coming from behind her, and she did a cut shot just enough to roll that ball over the net. We're gonna see it. Tama kung saan ang galing yung set. Ayun, oh. Pinadaan sa kanan. Guevara with a floater.
Nice tip by C on the second touch. Here comes Pineda. Block by Giselle C.
Pinalo agad.
Dump. Free ball para dito sa Adamson. Soriano tips it over.
Tatlong sumabay kay Pau.
Well,
3 blockers going with a quick.
Nothing less will do. Itong FEU, their defense is in disarray. Oh, but they get a lucky shot off Vargas. Where did that come from?
Vargas able to hit the line. He didn't even go full, you know, full approach.
Look at the top spin on this ball. Grabe, naka-slow mo na yan.
Yun, kantong-kanto.
And that top spin allows the ball to drop rapidly. Soriano.
A bit low was the set of Makatuno. Easy over for FEU.
Soriano medyo pababa na siya nun.
Tatlo pa rin ang sumabay kay Pau.
They go to Pineda in the corner. That's a point for Adamson. All of the defense concentrated on Pau. Kaya pag dilipat sa gilid, hirap nang humabol ang FEU.
And Makatuno knows that. You know, part of the strategy of Makatuno is try to bring some blockers along with Pau. And once she does that, she throws it out to Pineda or Zapanta, and they have an easier time to get that ball across.
Panta. Good rallies here. Pero palitan ng puntos lang palagi. No? Adamson gets one, FEU gets one, and that doesn't allow FEU to really tie with Adamson with all this give and take.
10, 13.
Again, Vargas with a point with some help from the net. Ito na naman, Eric, yung sinasabi mo, after scoring in a point, they throw it away with an error, not just in the serve, sometimes in their attacks. So,
and it's not even a rare occurrence para sa FEU. Halos every two serves, palaging may service error, ano? Palma, Pinalo. Makatuno sets it up. They go to Cortel and she scores.
Hitting it off Vargas. Nice setup job by Makatuno. Kita mo, talagang late yung blockers ng FEU. Humabol na lang sila Vargas. Good recognition by Makatuno and Cortel.
Oh no, Makatuno again. You have to credit half that point to Makatuno for finding. Masikip na yun eh. Konti na lang spacing nila. Nasa likod niya lang si Cortel pero nahanap niya pa yung butas as Adamson pulls away here. They're up by 6, 16-10. Set number 3, Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.